Old Soldiers Reunion Parade, 2022, Newton, North Carolina. Sons of the American Revolution. I'm one of those. Peter Little was my ancestor. Here's a 1931 Model A coupe. Hickory Tavern chapter, Daughters of the American Revolution. And they've got a couple Harleys with them. It's a 2022 Old Soldiers Reunion. It started in 1889 as a gathering of Confederate veterans from Catawba County, and has been going consecutively ever since. And here comes a 1943 Willys Jeep. For real World War II Jeep right there.
Freaking out just a little bit. It's freaking out.
This is the biggest patriotic event in America that is not associated with a holiday.